So hi guys, good day to each and everyone. I'm Dr. D. Deloso. Bali, meron tayong case ngayon. Yan. Sedated yung dog. Actually, meron siyang lump dun sa kanyang paa. So, well, the very first thing we need to do is to actually identify what is that type of lump. Ano ba siya for, ano ba siya, mass lang ba siya? Neoplastic? Neoplastic? Kung neoplastic siya, ano ba siya, benign or malignant? So, the best way to identify it is to do a fine needle aspirate. And kapag fine needle aspirate kasi, most of the time it's not 100% accurate. Kasi nga, sometimes when we aspirate it with the needle, ang nangyayari doon, minsan tumatago siya hanggang sa fat. So, sometimes inconclusive yung kanyang result. Ano? So, kapag wala tayong masyadong nakuha, or hindi naging conclusive yung sample, we go to the next. Punch biopsy. So, we will be doing that today. Kasi nung nag-FNA tayo, it turns out to be a malignant neoplastic process. Pero yung specific kung ano siyang type ng cancer is hindi niya ma-identify. So, in case kasi na, example, look, bakit hindi na lang kailangan tanggalin? Tanggalin na lang, tapos ipa-histopath. Well, pwede din naman. Kaya lang sometimes kasi if the mass o yung cancer becomes quite invasive. Example, pag muscle tumor siya, you need a wide margin of incision. So, syempre, you need planning. So, kapag ganun yung ginawa natin, babalik ulit tayo sa surgery, tatapes ulit tayo ng malaking skin. Ano? So, mas maganda kasi before you go to surgery, dapat alam mo na yung kalaban mo para maplano mo siya. And likewise, both of the lump kasi is on an area wherein hindi tayo makakatanggal ng malaking tissue kasi mahirap siyang isara. So, either we do a transpositional flap wherein we remove a portion of the skin, ililipat natin dun sa kanyang paa. Ano? Or we could do other transplantation or skin flap techniques. Pero before we do that, we need to plan it first. So, we need to identify kung what type of mass is that, neoplastic or non-neoplastic man siya. Kung non-neoplastic, madali lang. So you just have to excise it and kung hindi maisara, second intention with healing. Pero if it's something that is cancerous, you need to plan it para alam mo yung next step. Okay? So, anong gagamitin natin? We'll be using a punch biopsy. So, lahat ng sugat, they are aseptically prepared. And then, we place it on a formalin. And then, we send it for histopathology para malaman kung ano siya. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you.